Hi, hello, namaskara, welcome back to my channel.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Today I have one more unboxing video for you people. So this is my ride, you guys know. This is my super duper ride. This is how it looks. She looks amazing, right? She looks absolutely gorgeous. In every super sport bike we have one major issue, that is our bum. So the seat is not that well cushioned. I was literally searching for a very good seat modification for this seat because it's quite hard, guys. It's very quite hard. I can travel like 50 kilometers non-stop, then later my butt will start hurting. So I was looking for a good seat modification. Then there comes Grand Pit Stop. They make amazing air comfy seat. It's like a air cushion for the super sport bikes. Let me unbox this and show you how it feels under my bum. Okay, so if I open this, so first and foremost we get one cover. So this is the rain cover we get for the seat. This is the seat, I got it yesterday. So very nice, guys. So very premium. This we have air ventilated seat over here. Here we have a pump. So very good pump here to remove. We have a knob to remove the air from the cover and the pump. I will open it and show you how it looks. See, this is the pump inside, where we can pump the air and we can inflate and deflate it. Okay, so let me put this aside here and I can mount this here. Okay, let me show you how to mount it onto the bike and let me sit and feel it, how it's gonna give me good cushion under my bum. Okay, it was very easy to put the seat, air comfy seat, onto my seat. This is how it looks. If I pump, okay guys, it's inflating actually.
Eternity later.
Okay guys, nice actually. So after inflation, this is how it looks. Let me give you the walk around of the seat. Okay, this looks really cool, guys. Yes, do you leave your thoughts on this look in the comment section, guys. Okay, so very nice, guys. I think it provides a little bit height. So let me hop onto the bike. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, nice, guys. This looks very cool actually. I think I have to put a little bit front because the majority of the cushioning went behind my back. Let me rearrange that. Okay, so that my bum gonna sit over here. Okay, superb. Okay, actually it made the height little bit tight, guys. Almost like, I don't know, 10-15 mm. I don't know how much mm. Okay, this is cool, guys. Oh, very comfy, guys, very comfy. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm feeling like I'm in on some oh my goodness, very nice, guys. I feel I'm floating. It feels good actually. Okay, on the eಳನೀರು, let me have some eಳನೀರು. Let's take a break. ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಸಖತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ 1.5 ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಡಬಲ್. ಇದು ನಾನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು 2 lakhs, ಇವತ್ತು 2.7 ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಶಿವ ಸರ್, ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಬಾಯ್ ಸರ್. ಊಟ ಸರ್ ಈಗ? ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಸಿಗೋಣ. first let me talk about the pros. Pros are really good. It's very well cushioned, guys. My bum, I am not even feeling I'm on the bike. This is literally way different, guys. Literally way different. How I'm feeling it. I feel very comfort, guys. I think I have to reduce a little bit air, I believe. A little bit more. Very nice, guys. See, I on the go I can set it up. Just if I remove the outlet valve, the air came out and it made little bit little bit squishy. And I can inflate on the go. When I'm riding, I can literally pump it, guys. Oh, this, okay, I can, oh, no, it's good actually. Yeah, very nice, superb, superb. I love the product, guys. And I feel like I'm sitting on some watery bed. So I think my recommendation here is you guys can easily go for this product. Okay, it's really comfortable. I will give you the long-term review after I'm doing a ride this weekend. I will use this full ride almost like 150 kilometers, and I will update you guys in that vlog. Okay, stay tuned. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment your thoughts, and be part of my family, boys. Just press that subscribe button. Okay, bye bye, take care, and have a great life, guys. Love you all.